The 5 a.m. Club book by Robin Sharma is a practical guide to achieving personal growth and success through a revolutionary morning routine. It is based on the story of an entrepreneur, an artist, and their eccentric billionaire mentor, who all start their day at 5 a.m. by following their lead. Readers can learn how to use the first hour of their day to drive productivity, focus, and passion in all aspects of their lives. One of the key takeaways from the book is the importance of slowing down your brain in the morning. The early morning hours are an ideal time to clear your mind, reflect on your goals, and prepare yourself for the day ahead. By waking up early and embracing a calming routine, you can set the tone for a more focused and productive day. Another important aspect of the 5 a.m. Club is the emphasis on creating a successful morning routine. This includes activities such as exercise, meditation, journaling, and learning. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your goals more effectively. In summary, the 5 a.m. Club is a practical guide to personal growth and success. By embracing a revolutionary morning routine and following the lead of successful entrepreneurs and artists, readers can unlock their full potential and achieve epic results in all aspects of their lives. Idea 1. The Billionaire Mentor's Unconventional Success Secrets. In this summary, we follow the story of an entrepreneur and an artist who meet a billionaire mentor at a professional conference. The mentor is a wacky character who dresses poorly to remind himself and others that wealth and appearance do not define a person's worth. He shares his unconventional success secrets, which he learned from his personal mentor, the Spellbinder, a renowned business guru. The billionaire mentor teaches the entrepreneur and artist that truly great people understand they can create extraordinary events themselves, rather than waiting for them to happen. He reveals that the key to unlocking an extraordinary future is to craft a world-beating morning routine. He offers to teach them everything he knows about this routine the next day, if they meet him at 5 a.m. This sets the stage for the beginning of their journey towards personal growth and success. By embracing the importance of creating a successful morning routine, they learn to prioritize activities that promote productivity, focus, and passion. They discover that by waking up early and taking control of their mornings, they can set the tone for a more successful day. The Billionaire Mentor's Unconventional Success Secrets teach us that true success comes from within and that we have the power to create the life we want. By adopting a positive mindset and taking action towards our goals, we can achieve extraordinary results. The importance of creating a successful morning routine reminds us that small habits can have a big impact on our lives and that we can use the first hour of our day to drive personal growth and achieve our dreams. Idea 2. The power of waking up at 5 a.m. for a productive day. Have you ever considered waking up at 5 a.m. for a productive day? You may be skeptical, but successful people like the billionaire mentor in our story, as well as Mozart and John Grisham, have found this to be a game changer. By starting your day at 5 a.m., you can harness the power of transient hypofrontality, a state in which your prefrontal cortex is temporarily impaired, allowing you to minimize unproductive thoughts and negative self-talk and replace them with energy, peace, and productivity. The benefits of starting your day at 5 a.m. go beyond just clearing your mind. During this time of day, your brain produces dopamine and serotonin, which can help you feel happier and more focused. By maximizing your focus in the morning, you can enter a natural state of flow, making you more productive and happier throughout the day. But waking up at 5 a.m. isn't just about feeling good. It's also about giving yourself a competitive advantage. By committing to waking up early, you are making a commitment that most people aren't willing to make. If you want to be amongst the top 5% of the world's elite performers, you have to be willing to do what the other 95% aren't. And waking up at 5 a.m. is a great way to get ahead. In conclusion, waking up at 5 a.m. may seem daunting, but it can be a powerful tool for maximizing your cognitive bandwidth, entering a natural state of flow, and gaining a competitive advantage. So next time you have an opportunity to start your day at 5 a.m., give it a try and see what kind of results you can achieve. Idea 3. The 4 areas of focus for becoming a history maker. Many people dream of achieving success and making a name for themselves in their field, but only a select few become history makers. According to a billionaire mentor, the key to becoming a history maker lies in 4 key areas of focus. The first area is capitalizing on your talents. This means making the most of the gifts you have been given, rather than comparing yourself to others and feeling inadequate. By recognizing your strengths and putting them to use, you can make a meaningful difference in the world. The second area is freeing yourself from distractions. Distractions can be a major roadblock to success, and it is essential to simplify and concentrate in order to achieve your goals. Eliminating distractions like social media and toxic relationships, and practicing purism by focusing on a few key projects rather than multitasking, can help you stay on track. The third area is day stacking, or focusing on accomplishing small tasks each day rather than trying to tackle big goals sporadically. This approach allows you to build momentum and make steady progress towards your larger goals. Finally, the fourth area is practicing personal mastery. This involves investing time each day in developing yourself, your mindset, and your attitude. By dedicating the first 2 hours of your day to this practice, you can become a master of your own life and increase your chances of achieving greatness. By focusing on these 4 key areas, anyone can increase their chances of becoming a history maker and leaving a lasting impact on the world. Idea 4. The 4 interior empires: heart set, health set, mindset, and soul set. Attending professional conferences often includes hearing advice on the importance of mindset. However, according to a billionaire mentor, mindset is only one of 4 interior empires that require constant attention and personal improvement. Neglecting the other 3, heart set, health set, and soul set, can limit personal growth and success. Heart set refers to emotional well-being, which affects overall stability and success. Unexpressed emotions can have a negative impact on one's life, making it crucial to develop emotional well-being. Health set is also important as poor health can limit success. Pursuing exercise can boost both physical and emotional health, leading to increased productivity. Lastly, soul set focuses on spirituality and keeping oneself centered. Connecting with the truest version of oneself can help relinquish superficial aspects of life. Early morning clarity and reflection can aid in focusing on one's soul set. By improving and balancing all 4 interior empires, individuals can cultivate a strong foundation for a healthier, more stable life across all aspects of personal and professional endeavors. Idea 5. The Billionaire's 20-20-20 Method, a practical strategy for developing your 4 inner empires. Have you ever wondered how successful people manage to accomplish so much in a single day? Do you struggle with finding the motivation to wake up early and start your day productively? If so, then the Billionaire's 20-20-20 Method may be just the solution you need. The Billionaire's 20-20-20 Method is a simple yet effective morning routine that can help you to optimize your productivity by developing your 4 inner empires: mind, body, heart, and spirit. Operating on the principle of spending 20 minutes each on movement, reflection, and growth, this method is designed to help you start your day off right and unlock your full potential. The first 20 minutes of the method is dedicated to vigorous exercise. While waking up early to exercise may seem daunting, studies show that exercising in the morning can help to reduce stress and anxiety, increase energy levels, and improve overall health. By working up a sweat, you can also decrease the cortisol, fear hormone, in your brain and promote the formulation of new neural connections, which can enhance your productivity for the day. The next 20 minutes is dedicated to reflection and solitude. By taking a few moments to reflect on what's most important to you, you can center your focus on your top priorities for the day. Writing your thoughts down in a journal can also help to relieve stress and clear your mind. Finally, meditating on your new insights can help you feel calmer and more centered, which can carry with you throughout your day. The last 20 minutes is dedicated to growth. By learning something new, whether it's listening to a podcast or reading a book, you can stimulate your mind and expand your knowledge. This commitment to growth is a trait that many successful people share and can lead to new opportunities and personal development. In conclusion, the Billionaire's 20-20-20 Method provides a practical strategy for developing your 4 inner empires and unlocking your full potential. By spending just 1 hour each morning on mind, body, heart, and spirit, you can start your day off right and set yourself up for success. So, why not give it a try and see how it can transform your daily routine? Idea 6. Maximizing your performance with the twin cycle of elite performance and sleep. We often hear the phrase, work hard, play hard, but what if we told you that there's a better way to approach productivity and performance? The billionaire in the story believes that cultivating healthy sleep patterns and incorporating intentional periods of relaxation are crucial components to achieving life-changing results. First, let's talk about sleep. Research has shown that a good night's sleep is one of the key factors in predicting life expectancy. However, in today's society, we are often sleep-deprived due to technology. Blue lights emitted by our devices reduce melatonin, the chemical that promotes sleep. To combat this, leading sleep research advocates for disconnecting from technology no later than 8 p.m. Doing so can help improve the quality of our sleep and leave us feeling well-rested for an early wake-up time of 5 a.m. But sleep isn't the only way to rejuvenate ourselves. The twin cycle of elite performance is a strategy recommended by the billionaire to balance periods of passionate work with deep renewal. Instead of burning ourselves out with prolonged periods of productivity, we should oscillate between phases of work and rest. By intentionally dedicating time to relaxation, we are recognizing the value of mental health and optimizing our potential. This minimizes the potential for burnout and gives us room to grow in both a performance phase and a recovery phase. It can be difficult for some of us to accept the necessity of slowing down and taking time off. Those who operate on an all-work, no-play mentality might even feel guilty when not working. However, by tending to our interior empires and recognizing the value of balance, we can cultivate a healthier and more fulfilling life. In summary, maximizing your performance requires a balance of sleep and intentional periods of relaxation. Incorporating the twin cycle of elite performance and disconnecting from technology before bed can help improve the quality of our sleep. By recognizing the importance of mental health and balance, we can minimize burnout and optimize our potential. Summary. To optimize your productivity and creativity, it's important to start your day on the right foot. One effective way to do this is by waking up early and following the 20-20-20 method. This method involves spending the first hour of your day engaging in 3 activities for 20 minutes each: exercise, reflection, and learning. First, begin with 20 minutes of exercise. This could be a quick jog or yoga session, or any other physical activity that gets your heart rate up and energizes your body. Not only does exercise provide a boost of endorphins, but it also helps you start your day feeling accomplished and energized. Next, spend 20 minutes reflecting. This can involve meditation, journaling, or simply taking some quiet time to think and set intentions for the day ahead. Reflection helps to clear your mind and center yourself, allowing you to approach your work with greater focus and clarity. Finally, dedicate 20 minutes to learning. This could involve reading a book, listening to a podcast, or taking an online course. By dedicating time to learning, you're expanding your knowledge and challenging your mind, which helps to boost your creativity and problem-solving abilities. By following the 20-20-20 method, you'll be able to own the first hour of your morning and set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. So, try waking up at 5 a.m. and dedicating the first hour of your day to exercise, reflection, and learning. You'll be amazed at the results. Now, thank you for taking the time to watch, and if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And in case you want to buy the book, use the link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it.